Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to view invoices of Jotform payments. If you're managing subscriptions or need to keep track of your billing history, knowing where to find and download your invoices is essential for maintaining organized financial records. Also, if you're interested in business tools that could improve your workflow, I've dropped a few links in the description down below. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to jotform.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Enter your email and password to access your account dashboard. This is your main workspace where you'll be able to manage all aspects of your Jotform account, including your billing information. After logging in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of the page. You'll notice your profile icon displayed there. Click on this icon and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, either click on your username or select Settings. This will take you to your account management area where you can adjust various settings and access important account information. Now, I should mention that since my account hasn't been upgraded yet and I don't have any invoice documents available, I'll walk you through the next steps based on what you would see with an active subscription. Even if you don't see invoices right away, following these steps will show you exactly where they'll appear once you have billing activity. Once you're in the settings area, look at the left panel of your screen. Here, you'll find several menu options. Click on Billing from this left sidebar menu. This section is dedicated to all your payment and subscription management needs, giving you a complete overview of your account's financial activity. Within the Billing section, you'll see different tabs or sections available. Click on the Invoices tab, which may also be labeled as Billing/Upgrade, then Invoices. This is the central location where Jotform stores all your payment records and invoice history. The page will display a comprehensive list of all transactions associated with your account. Now you can scroll through the list of invoices to view important details. Each entry will show you information like transaction dates, payment amounts, and subscription details. This makes it easy to track your spending and verify charges against your records. Take your time browsing through to find the specific invoice you need. If you need to save any invoice for your records or accounting purposes, simply click the download icon located next to the invoice you want. This will save the invoice as a PDF file directly to your device. Having these PDFs is particularly useful for expense tracking, tax preparation, or sharing with your accounting team. And that's everything you need to know about viewing and downloading your Jotform payment invoices. You now have easy access to your complete billing history whenever you need it. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.